Hi and welcome to the channel. I have a bag here. Let's take a look and see what I have here. Yeah, this looks like some kind of a selfie. It belongs to a selfie stick of some kind to mount your cell phone or whatever. And we have a bag of screws, and we have some bits and pieces here. Let me just show you what this is. Okay, I have now built the what's in the bag, the thing in the bag, and as you can see, it was a cell phone stand like this. So excuse the wire, I'm using the cell phone for recording the sound of the video, so that's why it is like that. But I have the tower application for my Pixhawk or my clone. And I haven't tested it yet, but it seems to be working just fine. However, I think the screw setup was a bit fiddly. Not hard, but a little bit fiddly to get the screws in place. And also, I have a transmitter stand like this, and when you have that, when you use that, it's conflicting, so I'm not able to fully extend the transmitter stand. This cell phone stand was from Banggood. I'm going to put the link in the description down below, and also I have ordered a similar stand from Hobby King, so when I receive that, I will have a review of that and we can compare those two. You know, this Banggood was kind of cheap, and yeah, it shows, but I think it will do the job actually. We'll see, but the thing, this is for the cell phone, and the Hobby King one is also for an iPad or similar. So we'll see how that works out. I'm going to test both of them and we'll see how it works. But I think this will work. I do have the telemetry also in the display of my Tyrannis. But anyway, I always wanted to have the cell phone in front of me when I fly my quad. So that's it. Thank you for watching.